Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's a pretty cool blend, and I'm going to do a little bit bigger blend this, or little bit more blends this time, make it maybe a little bit smoother looking or whatever. I'm going to take an ellipse, not holding down the control button, so I've got a perfect or a non-perfect ellipse. I'm going to control D, and I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. And then I'm going to just control D all the way around. Now I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to weld it together, and that just gives me that outside. I'm going to go ahead and make that. I'm going to right click blue. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, holding down the shift key, bring that in and make it yellow or any color. Grab both of them, go up to effects and blend. Last time I blended them 200 times. I'm going to go 500 times this time. And you get that. Now, if you will take that center one, double click on it and rotate it, and you can rotate it quite a bit, or the more the merrier you want. Grab that interior one, holding down the shift key, and get your two-sided arrow, and then just bring it outwardly. And you kind of get this fold looking. The yellow folds, the blue kind of folds, and you can play with it to your heart's content, holding down this. You need that two-sided arrow, and then hold down your shift key, and show off the blue, show off the yellow more. And I don't know what you'd ever use that for, but you could still, even then, you could take and rotate it some more or rotate it less. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.